Hello YouTube fam. Hello YouTube fam. How y'all doing today? So I don't know who needs to hear this today, right? You didn't get replaced. You got put in your place. You didn't get replaced. You got put in your place. Sometimes the universe has a really funny way of showing you how to show up for yourself without asking somebody else to do it for you. Right? Instead of carrying around the victim mentality of somebody took my spot, maybe think, did I work hard enough for this spot? Did I do enough for this spot? That's how you really self-reflect. This Palo Santo smells so good. Oh, I wish you guys were here. It smells amazing. Yes, sometimes spirit takes us out of place to put us back in place. If you're going through something right now and you're wondering, like, I feel like somebody took your spot, okay, or you're feeling like somebody replaced you and you could have did a better job, and you find yourself kind of wondering, like, how did this person get this? Or why them and not me? Simply because you haven't finished your evolution yet. Simply because you're not in a place yet, mental space, to hold space for that space. And Spirit recognizes that, okay? Spirit recognizes when you don't recognize that you're not ready for something. You may feel like you're ready for something. The universe is like, I see everything that you're putting together and what you're not putting together. You're not ready. You're close, but you're not ready. And I feel that sometimes we have to be broken down. Okay, sometimes we have to be broken down in order for us to realize how put together, or what put together really looks like. Spirit has to take us through these transitions. We'll never learn. There was something I was saying the other day to my boyfriend, and it was something along the lines of, if you, okay, I don't remember what it was, but it'll come back to me. It was really good. It just stuck to me, and I said it to him, and I was just like, whoa, that was fire. But I just can't remember it for some reason. But yes, I hope everybody's having a blessed day. If you need to hear this message, I hope it got to you at the time. And I hope that no matter what, you feel like you fit in somewhere and you belong somewhere. There's always space for you. There's space for you everywhere. You don't take up too much space. Your life and your energy is not a burden. You're allowed to fit in spaces that you don't think that you fit in. You're allowed to be in places that you don't think that you fit in. I love you.